Hey there, tow trucker back. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a subscriber. Anyway, we got a lot of cars coming in here, man. A lot of stories on these cars. We're gonna start something new. I'm gonna start videoing the stolen cars we get in here. The lot guy's gonna let me know when they come back stolen. We're gonna do some car stories on here, do something new on the channel. They're very interesting. Anyway, hit that subscribe button and appreciate you. Peace. Hey there, tow trucker back. I'm over here at one of our properties, fixing to do some impounding. You know, they had a big fire. Something set off a fire in this side of this unit, and I think everybody was able to get out. But this is the kind of thing that happens in these apartments. You know, they do go up when you got a large amount of people living in one unit and one building. Fires do happen. Sometimes it's accidental. Other times it could be somebody setting the fire. But it does happen, and that's why they're so strict about code enforcement around Atlanta, because they're trying to keep people alive. Hey there, we're back, man. Looks like we got a motorcycle back here. We're gonna have to load this motorcycle up. Somebody did put a 21 tag on that Corvette because it was stickered to tow too. But we're gonna load this motorcycle up, man. Get it off the property. We'll see what happens. Hey there, we're back on one, man. We got a hot one over here. Somebody's backed their car up on a walkway, and they're actually in a no parking zone. This manager, she wants this car towed, and that's what we're fixing to do. She don't like people parking in no parking zones. So what we do is we just pull up and we yank them. Whoever it was that owns this Mercedes right here that I just impounded, evidently they picked the wrong manager. You got certain property managers that they don't put up with that stuff. Some managers, they're scared to tow, but you got other managers, man, they don't play around. If you park in the wrong spot, you're done. That's just the way it goes on some properties. We got another one, no tag. Oh. Taking this one right here.
You're taking the car? Why?
Because it ain't got no tag.
But the tag is in March.
No, that's not.
We're working on it. We had the paperwork.
Well, that's not a real tag, man. It's been like 3 months, man. You pulled the sticker off?
Yes.
Anytime you get a sticker, man, you gotta contact the office. But basically right now, I'm not hooked to the car. If it really runs and you can drive it up to the office, talk to them right now.
Okay.
If it don't run, I'm gonna have to tow it. I mean,
It does run.
Okay, if you can drive it and talk to them, then I don't have to tow it. But if it don't run, I have to tow it.
No, it does.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Let me go get it.
Okay, you got it. It's not hooked to his car, and I go by the law. If he can drive this car up to the office and it does run, he don't have to get towed. But he's gonna have to talk to somebody. If I would have had my chain hooked to it, which he came out as soon as I got out of the truck, he was already out here. He was just so happened to be leaving in his other car. He was fixing to leave, and he came out here at the exact perfect time to keep from getting towed. Anyway, we're gonna see if he moves it. If he don't move it, and the car don't run, I'm fixing to load it back up. The car does run, so rightfully he's got the opportunity to fix the problem with the manager. And that's how the law works, man. Even though it sucks that I didn't get to tow it on my end, you got to be fair. And you got to honor the law. If you do this kind of work, you can't be no rogue. You got to do it by law. Anyway, we're gonna roll to the next one. It's tow trucker. We're back, man. We got one down here around the corner. I've already checked it. Somebody's standing outside on the stairwell. Either way, I'm gonna pull in here and hook this one right here. Get some chains on it. It's an October tag. The office said get the ones out of here that ain't fixed. So we're gonna back up and hook it. Yo! It's the office, man. Because it ain't got no tag on it. That's why they put a sticker on it.
Yeah, they give you 1 day?
No, it's been stickered since for 3 days.
For 3 days?
Yeah. All you gotta do is call the office when they sticker it. You gotta communicate with them.
I didn't know that was even the case, man. I mean, can I pay it? Because it's gonna be more to get it from the tow.
You can pay it out. It's a $100 drop fee on property. I mean, and that's your right to do that. If it runs, don't it? Yeah, that's your right to pay it out if you want to pay it out. You're welcome to.
So I got to call the leasing office to pay them or something?
You pay me. Pay with a card if you want, or however you want to do it.
Fuck, man. Well, can I get the time to call the leasing office or?
Well, I mean, you can call them, but I just left up there. She told me. I mean, they told us that I got a list and it's on it, man. They're going to tell you to pay. The best thing to do is to pay it out, man.
All right, so like even if you take it, it's $100.
It's $175 if I take it. If you pay it now, that's your best option.
And then what, like, how long they'll give me to get the tag?
Well, no, that's up to them. She'll probably give you time. Don't worry, if you pay it out, she's probably gonna. If you go talk to her and tell her what happened, I mean, you stayed calm and went up there. You act professional. You more likely to give you time.
Right, give me a second.
That's fine. That's fine, man. I'm gonna cut the loud PTO off. Go ahead, Ian. What's off of this? Yep. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Yeah, sorry you got hooked, man. It's what we do, man. I appreciate you staying calm. Everybody don't stay calm, man. But you save money by paying it out. Have a good one, sir.